Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you some of the best AI image generators you can try in 2026. So let's get started the video. At first, we have ChatGPT. ChatGPT allows you to create images by simply describing what you want. For example, write a prompt and send it to ChatGPT. This will instantly generate an image. You can also upload an image by clicking the plus icon and ask ChatGPT to edit it. You can also change the background, remove objects, add new elements, or create a different style. ChatGPT is a great option for beginners because you can create and improve images through a simple conversation. Next, we have Google Gemini. Gemini can generate images from text prompts and help you improve them with follow-up instructions. You can describe the subject, background, style, colors, lighting, and mode. Once you write down your prompt, click the Send button. Gemini is useful if you already use Google tools and want an AI assistant for both writing and image generations. And another popular AI image generator is Adobe Firefly. Firefly allows you to create images, graphics, text effects, and creative designs from text prompts. Once you are here, describe your prompt. And then click on Generate. Adobe Firefly can be useful for designers, content creators, and people who already use Adobe tools. Some features may require an Adobe account or paid credits. If you generate an image from Adobe Firefly, you can also open this in Photoshop. And then we have Microsoft Designer. You can enter a prompt and the AI will generate images and design ideas. Click on the text box and then select Images. This will open a new website. Write down your prompt. You can select a color palette from here and the size. Then click on Create. It is a useful option for creating post, invitation, presentation, and other visual contents. If you want to choose one, then which one you should choose? You can choose ChatGPT if you want an easy conversational way to create and edit images. Then you can choose Google Gemini if you already use Google tools and Adobe Firefly to create and use Adobe software. And Microsoft Designer for quick images and social media designs. The best AI image generator depends on the type of image you want to create. Try different tools and compare the results. Also check each tool's current free limits and commercial use rules before using AI-generated images for business projects. And those are some of the best AI image generators you can try in 2026. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Initial Solution for more simple and easy AI and tech tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.